Today in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to disable YouTube homepage to avoid distractions. So hey guys, this is Rushikesh from RiPixel and let's get started with this video. The first thing that you need to do is open the YouTube app. Then go to the account tab at the bottom right corner. Then look for a section called history which will be at the top. Tap on view all. Then tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then tap on pause, watch history. Tap on pause. Then again tap on the three dots at the top. Now tap on clear all watch history. Tap on clear watch history again. Now go to the home tab and refresh. As you can see, the home page is disabled. You can no longer see the recommendations. That's how you disable YouTube homepage. That's it for today's video. I hope it added a little value. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.